Zdravo ljudi, došao sam opet da se tripujem ovdje i da vreštim od straha zato što ću imati uključen zvučnik i ima da se ubijem nakon ovoga. Ima da se userem u gaći. Ne, zašto da mi to radimo? Ne.
Welcome back to another pivotal night of your thriving new career, where you get to really ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? What was again? We understand the stresses of a new job, and we're here for you. To help you reach a more stable and relaxing frame of mind, we offer several musical selections to help make this elevator ride as relaxing and therapeutic as possible. We offer contemporary jazz, classical, rainforest ambiance, as well as a wide selection of other choices. Using the keypad below, please type the first few letters of the musical selection you would prefer. It seems you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for selecting Casual Bongos. Now that the elevator experience has been customized and thoroughly relaxed, it's worth mentioning that the has been decreased by a substantial amount. Please enjoy the rest of your descent.
Noć 3, ne želim da idem kod Funtime Foxy. Ja sam malena pičkica, molim te nemoj.
Due to unforeseen malfunctions from today's shows, your nightly duties will require you to perform maintenance that you may or may not be skilled enough to perform. It became necessary for technicians to attempt to disconnect Funtime Freddy's power module. However, they were unsuccessful. Allowing them to try again would be an inefficient path forward, as we would need to allow 6 to 8 weeks for recovery and physical therapy. You will need to reach the parts and service room on the other side of Funtime Auditorium to perform.
Ugasit ću zvuk. Ja sam velika pička. Jesam, velika sam pička. What the fuck is that here?
Below our gallery. Let's check on Funtime Foxy. It's important to make sure she's great. It looks like everything is as it should be in Funtime Auditorium. There is no need to check on Baby tonight. Please refrain from entering unauthorized areas. Proceed directly to Funtime Auditorium.
Ne sam tamo, vidio sam da nema ništa živo tamo.
Unlike Ballora, Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room.
Nisam se ustro, smanjio sam zvuk na sekundu. Eto ti ga na! Eto ti ga na!
Unlike Ballora, Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room dark, as to not accidentally activate her. You have been provided with a flash beacon. Use it if you need to get your bearings, and to ensure you...
Окей, puta mi nije usro zato što sam to očekivao. Evo te pa kako da je izbjegnem? Mislim, čini se mnogo približi da ja moram da samo odšetam odatle, hehe. Koliko ću ja puta ja pelo na ovome, majke.
Unlike Ballora, Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room dark, as to not accidentally activate her. You have been provided with a flash beacon. Use it.
Shvatam foru, moram da se vraćam nazad. Vidio sam ruku, ajde, s ove strane, evo ispred. Sad shvatam, moram da idem unazad kad mi je blizu. Ma bre, nosi se, dobro je što nisam imao uključen zvuk, nisam se toliko usran. Jebote, malo mi palilo. Šta sam uradio pogrešno, jebate. Maknuo sam se čima, bukvalno.
Unlike Ballora, Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room dark, as to not accidentally activate her. You have been provided with a flash beacon. Use it if you need to get your bearings and to ensure you don't bump into anything. However, use it as sparingly as possible. Proceed forward to reach the parts and surface room.
Kako? Jadan? A vratit ću se kada budem uspio, zato što je ovo jebano teško.
Funtime Freddy is out of power.
Ljudi, uspio sam!
Much easier. The release switch for the chest cavity is located on the underside of the endoskeleton jaw. To reach it, we will first need to open the face plates. You will need to press the faceplate release triggers in a specific order, and it's important to be as precise and as careful as possible. Locate the small button on Freddy's face, just under his right cheek, and press it.
Ma dobro, kako god uspio sam! Pogledaj zube malo! Gde je to? Ovdje.
Great. Now carefully locate and press the button next to Freddy's right eye. Great. Now carefully locate and press the button just above Freddy's nose.
Okej, sprema se jumpscare. Znao sam!
The faceplates should now be opened.
Znao
Locate and
sam!
press the small button on the underside of Freddy's endoskeleton jaw. Excellent.
A,
The
jebate
chest
vater!
cavity should now be opened. Great work. You will now be required to remove the secondary power module from the Bonnie hand puppet. Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
Gde taj zic? Imam li jumpscare ako ga... Brate, Milo, kako
Press
je...
the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
Brate, Milo, skoro sam uvatio.
Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
Dobro. Vraću se kada uspio. Ljudi, uspio sam!
Exit the building through Fun Time Auditorium,
Jej!
and we'll see you back here again tomorrow.
Čekaj, ja moram se vraćam nazad, nisi valjda! Šta je to bilo? Da, ima ja da ovo malo ubrzam. Ljudi, gdje sam ja? Gdje sam ja? Ovo me nađe. Gdje sam bre ja? Četvrta noć. Nisam se prijavio za četvrtu noć. Pa to je to od ove epizode, zato što nema šanse da nastavim za četvrto. Nadam se da ste uživali zato što sam ja crko nakon što me usrao 50 puta zaredom. Ajde samo da vidim malo nastavak ovdje, da vidim. I moram da će mi se save, ako mi se ne save, onda ću sam ja da, znate ljudi. Možda znate. Samo jedan čovjek može da uđe u ovo delo, what the fuck.
You're in the scooping room. Do you know why they call it the scooping room?
Zato što ćete zakoljeti ta soba.
Where they use the scooper. I thought that would be obvious.
Ti mene sedut, pa jebate još kaži kako se to.
Something? The scooper. It sounds like something you would use for ice cream.
Čekaj, a ko je ovo? Je li ovo balora? Ne, gdje balora? Nego ova je... Baby, da, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Baby, baby.
If you were a freshly opened kind of ice
Čekaj, ima nam je jumpscare tim opus. Ima nam ako se čuje strašan zvuk čim se otvori, jebati.
freshly opened kind of ice cream feels anything at all. Oh, it sounds like someone else is in the building.
Forward. One. More. Okay, stop. Set it down. Watch the step. What happened to it this time? Just seems like these things keep going dead without breaking down. Oh, say that. Walk with my phone. Like I have 15 minutes.
Dobro, mislim da je to od ove epizode, nemoj baš same jumpscare-aš. Inače, to je to od ove epizode, ja ste se uživali i nadam se da niste umrli nakon ove epizode. Ćao ljudi,